Here's the Meross Matter Smart Wi-Fi thermostat. Label your line, your load, and your line 2. Click Add in Apple Home. Scan the side of the box. Adds quickly. Create a new room if you want to. Change the name of the thermostat if you need to. Then I went to the Meross app, clicked Add. It automatically detected that there was a thermostat not paired. Add it. It quickly adds. Then it asks for a firmware update. Boom, now it's in Apple Home and in the Meross app. Super easy to install and works really well. Can control it remotely with the Meross app and then on the Apple Home app if you're home or if you have an Apple Home Hub.